Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here previewing a RV garage pool home that is coming on the market. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. Alright guys, we're out here at 2977 Pony Circle. This is at the end of a nice little cul-de-sac. This is not on the market quite yet. It's what we call a delayed listing. We're just peeking at it for a client. It's going to be listed at $829,999. Has a nice paver to stamped concrete driveway. Little gate on the side. Nice Santa Fe style. It's on your standard lot at 10,890 square feet. So you have a nice little front patio type setup. 8-foot interior door. Alright guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home built in 2018. 1,732 square feet. Again, this one is not on the market yet. Has very tall ceilings, 8-foot interior doors, travertine tile floors. They also did the trowel down walls and ceilings. So you have a rear kitchen, granite tops, travertine tile backsplash, stainless appliances. You have RO drinking water at the sink, pantry, this is a split floor plan, so you have the master on one side and the other guest bedrooms on the other. The master does sit on the same side as the kitchen, where you have your indoor laundry here to the right and garage access. This is the master. I believe they just installed brand new carpet throughout. Little slider out to the backyard. View from your slider and into your master bath with dual sinks, granite tops. You have your walk-in shower. Toilet has its own door. Travertine tile extends into the bathroom as well. And a big walk-in closet. There's also a skylight in this bathroom. Alright, so the other 2 bedrooms and a guest bath is on the other side of the house. First room you run into is a guest bedroom. Yeah, so new carpet in here as well. They have the plantation shutters throughout too, which is a nice little upgrade. Standard double door slider on the closet, 8 feet as well. So across the hall you have guest bedroom number 2. These have different kind of blinds. Also a little walk-in closet. At the end of the hall you have a guest bath, granite tops, travertine tile, tile bath shower combo. So back over on the master side, you have your indoor laundry and access to the garage. So you have a pretty nice garage setup. You have a 2-car garage with a 28-foot bay, a 9-foot insulated door. There's also 2 mini split AC units in this garage as well. So you have a 54-foot RV garage with a 14-foot door, also insulated. You have your hot water, reverse osmosis, and soft water. There's also a rear bay or rear door at the end of the RV garage for backyard access. And you can see the 2 mini split units up there. There are full hookups, including a 50 amp and clean out. All right, so out the main living area slider, you have a real nice private backyard with a big block wall, artificial turf, covered back patio. You have a nice little pool area, travertine coping and stamped concrete decking, nice Baja shelf. Nice size hot tub. Pool looks to be in pretty good condition. It's got that quartz plaster finish. Have a gate with all your pool equipment. So the whole patio is stamped concrete with a real nice upgraded artificial turf, it looks like. There is some cheap stuff out there, but this looks to be a higher end. You have your propane that is probably leased for heating the pool and spa, and then you have a little side yard with a couple fruit trees, and your AC condensers for the RV garage sit out here as well. Alright guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Pony Circle. Again, this one is not on the market quite yet, but when it does come online, I will put a direct link to the listing detail page or right below this video so you guys get all the original pictures, current listing price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video as usual. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.